Hello lovelies. As you can tell from the box, I have an unboxing from Stationery Pal, and they are also giving away a surprise gift to one of my subscribers. I'll have more details on how to enter the giveaway later on this video. Before I get started, I do want to share the holiday sales that they're having right now. They increased my coupon code, and they also have 3 other codes that's stackable, which means you can save a lot more. Stationery Pal is also having an iPad giveaway, and they're including free gifts with every order. Now on to the unboxing. So Stationery Pal kindly gifted me these 2 boxes, and one of them is a haul of items that I chose, and this other box is a complete surprise. I have no idea what's in here. And as always, they have the cutest packaging, and I don't know what they put in here, but it smells so good in here. I always want to save these stickers, but for some reason, they just rip in my hands. On top, you can see that they have their signature plushies and freebies, and I always look forward to these. I'm hoping one of these packages will have a little Hello Kitty plushie. As you guys know, my stationery love started with a little Hello Kitty pack back when I was in grade school. So, oh look, there is a little Hello Kitty clip, and I think it's a Christmas one, which is perfect. I've been dying to have one of the Hello Kitty ones. I know I've had Cinnamon Roll and other Sanrio characters, so I'm happy I got this one. And oh, okay, so these are little surprise gifts. Like a little advent, I guess. Okay, so we have December 23rd, 22nd, and it says Gemma returns. Oh, I love these little bells. My cat loves them. But yes, I think this is like a little advent thing, and I have no idea what's in here. I can't tell at all, so I'm really curious. Okay, so I think I'm going to be unboxing these probably as shorts on my channel. So if you're curious, I'll be posting that on the appropriate days. Okay, so now it's time for my haul. And I love this stained glass design. It's so beautiful. They always have the cutest boxes. They have their signature confetti packaging and all these cute little freebies. And oh, I finally got a little Hello Kitty plush. It's so cute. And look at the little bear. Oh, I love this. It's so soft and so cute. The items that I chose for this haul are a little bit all over the place. Some of it is stationery, and some things are more practical things to help with my channel. You'll see as I start unveiling all the things that Stationery Pal gifted me with. But I'm excited to unbox this, and I have already taken advantage of their coupon codes and actually went ahead and ordered some more things. But here are some more of that little advent surprise packaging. So I am definitely going to be doing a little shorts of me unboxing these and seeing what's inside. The December 25th one is super heavy, and I have no idea what could be in there. But I don't want to read the little tags. I'm sure that it has little hints or something, but I want to keep it a surprise. It's really cute and fun. Okay, so the first item I have here are a pair of scissors, because the ones that I have are really beautiful, but they get really uncomfortable after doing some fussy cutting over time. So I wanted something that was pretty but practical. The next item is this holy grail gel pen for me. I love this gel pen so much, and I really wanted one in green to kind of match my desk and a lot of my notebook accessories. And here, I don't remember if I ordered this or not, but this is a washi tape cutter, and this is super useful. Mine actually broke, so I'm really happy that this is in there, but it is way better than cutting with scissors, and it does a really nice clean cut. Okay, so this is one of those weird things, and it's one of those staplers that you can reposition. And what I want to do is create a few inserts out of homemade paper and different types. I've tried sewing them by hand, and honestly, it just takes a while, and sometimes I feel like I could have just quickly stapled these together. I don't know, but I'm really excited to do some more collaging and artistic things on this channel. The next item is one that I'm really excited for. I have seen this around. It's a little pencil pouch, but it's super cute and like kind of fluffy like a cloud. And I really wanted this for some of my fountain pens and for my photo printer. When I went camping, I had everything in a really thin canvas pouch, and I feel like it didn't really protect everything like I wanted to. And I don't know, just look at this thing. It's nice and squishy, and it's so soft, and ooh, I like the inside. It really is super padded. I think this will work perfectly, and it seems like it has like a little ledge thing to prevent things from rolling around too much. I really like how this pencil case lies open flat. I haven't seen too many of those around, so I'm happy I have this one. And it seems like my pens will be pretty protected. I wouldn't normally carry this many fountain pens with me, but it'll definitely do the job. Okay, so for the next item, I'm just rummaging around, but here is an eraser, and this other item is a brush pen. I think that these are freebies because I don't remember selecting any of these, but these are both so good to have. I really love little brush pens. And oh, okay, so here's the explanation. This is a few Japanese items that they selected, little freebies, and here's a seed sun eraser, and I guess the color changes with UV light. And here is the Kokuyo washi tape cutter. Again, I really love these washi tape cutters. The Kokuyo glue stick, that is my favorite glue stick of all time. And this brush pen, I really like the color of that brush pen too. But yeah, these are really good. I really love that glue stick and the washi tape cutter, and I'm curious to try the other two items. Okay, this is the cutest little thing that I saw. I've been wanting a little pen rest. I've seen a lot of like a little frog one, but I feel like this little watermelon one is the cutest thing. And I really wanted it for my Kakimori brass nib, because when I'm swatching, sometimes I want to put my pen down, but it's still kind of wet. And I feel like this would be really good for holding any watercolor brushes too. The next items I chose are these Deco Rush tapes. I tried them for the first time earlier this year, and I really love them. I feel like they're the convenience of a washi tape, but the ease of use of one of those glue tapes. It's kind of perfect for traveling too. I would like to collect some more of these in the future. The next item is another pencil. I am the type of person that loses their pencils all the time, and I really needed another one. The next few items are these Swatelier, I'm not sure if I'm going to pronounce that right, but these Swatelier stickers, and I have been obsessed with like anything that has tiny people on it. And look at how cute this one is. It's a little couple holding each other, and these would be really good for layering. And here are some more people. I just really love that style, and I had to get those. This next item is some watercolor brushes, and okay, so it's really tightly packaged, so I'll unbox that later, but I've been wanting to get back into my verse watercolor paintings. I really miss doing those. The next item is this claw clip, and I really love their hair claws. I've tried others, and theirs always holds my thicker hair in place, and I need that for journaling. This last item is, again, another one for this channel, and it is a light that has 3 different warmth settings, and you can actually dim the lights to be brighter or softer, and I am really hoping that this improves the quality of my lighting in the videos. I don't know why, but this winter I've been having a hard time filming during the day, so I'm hoping that this light will help fix that. And it's actually really cool. You can kind of move it in any direction, and I'm hoping I will be able to mimic something similar to like sunlight on my window. While I'm swatching these deco brushes, I want to quickly give you some details about the giveaway. So Stationery Pal is giving away a surprise gift to one of my subscribers, and in order for you to enter, you must be subscribed to both my channel and Stationery Pal's channel, and comment a link to your favorite item on Stationery Pal's website. The winner will be announced on Sunday via Communities tab at 1:00 p.m. Eastern Time, and I'll include all the details down below as well. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Good luck!